So this is a great feature, something a lot of customers have asked for. Zero Trust is basically becoming the standard for secure access, right? So the problem with that sometimes it's a little bit of a black box where you don't see the data because the encrypted tunnels are protecting data, but you can't see what's actually happening inside. So customers have been saying, hey, we'd like to continue to use Plixer, but part of our network has now been not visible anymore. So how do we get that back? Well, we partnered with Zscaler and created an integration which allows us to ingest traffic from Zscaler products and make that traffic explainable again. So we enrich ZIA and ZPA telemetry, mapping users, applications, connector activity, things like that with no decryption and no agents. So the result is basically you can move from alert to timeline, full timeline in seconds, see the policies that were enforced, who it affected, and how it performed. So this is basically the bridge between secure access and operational visibility. So something the Zero Trust ecosystem and things like Zscaler really provide great value in in helping secure your access, but we also will help you now give you that visibility into it in a single interface with everything else to correlate and to get information on in the interface that you know and in the same analytics and same information you get. So that's our new integration with Zscaler.